Again, this information is not from me. I have not published any such post, but I'm aware that this is circulating again in the social media since many years. And since we have a large collection of various English translations of the Quran, we have this copy of the translation of the Quran by Maulvi Sher Ali. And I'm aware that this translation is by the Ahmadis. Ahmadis is a sect of the Qadianis, and they believe that Ahmad Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is a Nabi who came after the Prophet, and there's a big history of it. But this is not the mainstream Muslim. They don't belong to Ahl Sunnah wal Jamaat. They are Qadianis, the Ahmadi sect. So this translation of Maulvi Sher Ali is by an Ahmadi. So of course, we Muslims should be careful about it. So the information that we have to be careful and should not read it, should not spread it is correct. But this was not circulated by me. This message is not from me. So it falls under that category that this information is correct, but I didn't draft it. The warning is correct, and we should not read it, should not spread it, because it's not a translation from Ahl Sunnah wal Jamaat. It is by Qadiani, it is by Ahmadi, which is not on the Quran and Sunnah.